Welcome to another air traffic out of control flyby. Today, we have a recent clip from a close call at JFK Airport. At around 8:45 p.m. last Friday evening, Delta Airlines Flight 1943 was taking off from Runway 4L when American Airlines Flight 106 crossed the same runway. In this recording, you will hear the moment an air traffic controller noticed the incident and a potential collision was avoided. The Delta aircraft rejected its takeoff run and stopped approximately 1,000 feet from where the American Airlines wide-body jet had crossed. Investigations are being conducted by the NTSB to get to the bottom of why this occurred.
American 106 Heavy, cross runway 31 left at Kilo.
Cross 31 left, 106 Heavy.
Delta 1943, wind 35018, gust 24, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 4 left, Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, cancel takeoff clearance. Delta 1943, cancel takeoff clearance.
Rejecting.
American 106 Heavy, American 106 Heavy, hold position. American 106 Heavy, hold position.
Alright, and, Delta 1943?
Yeah, Delta 1943, are you able to taxi or need a couple minutes to run checks?
Yeah, we can get off the runway, Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, turn left, Juliet, and just remain clear of runway 4 left.
Left on Juliet, and remain clear runway 4 left for Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, same intentions?
Yeah, we're going to have to go somewhere, run a couple of checklists, and probably make some phone call for Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, taxi right on Bravo, hold short of Hotel Bravo.
Right on Bravo, Hotel Bravo, Delta 1943.
American 106 Heavy.
106 Heavy, go ahead.
American 106 Heavy, possible pilot deviation. I have a number for you. Advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy. Go ahead, sir.
American 106 Heavy, stand by.
Tower American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy.
The last clearance we were given, we were cleared to cross. Is that correct?
American 106 Heavy, we're departing runway 4 left. I guess we'll listen to the tapes, but you were supposed to depart runway 4 left. You're currently holding short of 31 left.
Roger, American 106 Heavy.
You can certainly hear the relief in the voice of the controller at the end of this recording. Thanks to his quick wits, disaster was avoided. Thanks for joining us on another air traffic out of control flyby. We will see you next time.